In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can calculate an unknown angle inside of an isosceles triangle. In a previous video that I'll link here, we learned about the properties of an isosceles triangle. And with the example on the left-hand side, I can see that it's got two dashes which indicate that they are of the same length, which means that this angle and this angle are equal. So knowing that the two highlighted red angles are equal, this is y as well. In another video that I'll link here, we learnt that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So this means I can now form an equation that y plus 30 will equal 180 degrees. Simplifying the left-hand side gives 2y plus 30 is equal to 180 degrees. And subtracting 30 from both sides leaves 2y as being 150, and dividing both sides by 2, y is equal to 75 degrees. So 1y is 75. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So the first thing to do will be to highlight where my equal length sides are, because identifying where they are highlights where the two angles are going to be equal within the isosceles triangle. If the angle in the bottom right is 56, the angle in the bottom left in this case will also be 56 degrees. Knowing that all of these angles have to add up to 180 degrees, I can create the equation y plus 56 is equal to 180 degrees. Simplifying the left-hand side, y plus 112 will equal 180, and subtracting 112 from both sides leaves y as being 68 degrees.